mu akwala mu panyin emra nya dwuma obiya de open obiya ye yewia ne pretend say emra ye dwuma wo Ghana. But you and I can bear witness to the situation say nya ekoso no system ni bebre na break it down. Ya kan wa kan say kanea de eyimfidie nti bibia betimi asi nti wo say ECG omo ne nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ no mu keep in touch nti bibia ni anaka mo yi nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ asutire anka mo abɔ ho dawuro but entesa mo de ne foi pre wo ba henkan adwuma mu ha no mo a enkane ebobɔ studio ha nyina wo ye ya na sei omo ye ya na sei ena no ya o omo be ye nkane wo studio ha nyina but sa Africa dwa omo ye no ene nkane yi be se 4 se 5 ni nyina san sei ne bo nso den enti ye niema bi sei system no sei ne tia oba buru be da survive because near air course way politicians no mo yam panimfo any Ghana panimfo asofo panimfo no omo nyina wo plant si wo mu fie o enti yes ya na wadane ama plant no mo na mo ble ono on hwe na obi running the business na Africa jo na within a week wasesa bulbs a ekeka ko be 700 Ghana cedis within a week no nkania nko because of Africa jo no wasesa nkania almost 700 Ghana cedis ebetumi create obi ka or this is some bulbs because of Africa jo ekoso business ne be na a thrive business ne be na akọ nanim enti wo me kan no kra nkyere yen ho moma ye ntwa nkontompo obi otwa kontompo bi onko heaven gise bi aka chem say wo heaven no mpese obeko bi o kan sa dia mete wase but say yesu ne ban ye nyina se ye pe heaven akọ no enie dia e wo se advice yen ho moma ye kan no kra nkyere yen ho mate na bebrebe ye mfa nko ba bia o one day born one day die e be ka kire o within a week or weekend ni mu efiri fia da memede da kwasi ada enipa a o ma hwere wo nkwa Ghana ha ajete fios wan e just am friend titi e no wen okọ na wotwekuru ya mu na wotwe awie ya kuro ya mu Aliu Mahama ne yere ono so okọ na wotwekuru ya mu former first lady Emily Ekufu ono so okọ enti ye kọ no 1 edien na omo ma meme enso na omo di nyina agya hokọ enkrofo ade san omo wu wa fichire ho nyina ne kire wo se edipa ya oba bi kọ eni ti si ya di position bi di ma wo a di nokure enya asori dem nko a na ye dai suban bi adi si ye Christopher nya I keep saying say nyamesom enye se wakotena asori dem na che so ye Christoni ne ebra obi anhwewo ne ya wode wabra bɔ ne ye ebra obi ani na wo so na nko a wo hye utokrum ho nko a wo hye adware mu ho no nko a wo hye dan ni mu ho no nko a wo fon ne kura wo ne ya wode ye no eno ena che se wo ye Christoni ana se wo ye Christoni nya asori dem nti mum yenhwe ne yie wo ye pani bi e wo baabi a ti ase ese ayo obi na wote saa akonya ne so ene wo he nti sane ono ene oni ho no ebre bi beso a wo so woni ho nti mum yenhwe ne yie tie we man ye ba ye to aso dwumade ne de Maakye ofra me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo.
Admission admission. Akim State Senior High School. Yasha Sia Yasan Aje Afofro. Wana Wabi JHS. Oko SHS. Ya bie ya pro atuho. Ya courses ahodo. Ya business, general arts, home economics, visual arts, pure science, and technical. Neti, ya science so our boarding facilities. Ya special room. Ana enuania eye papa. Ya laboratory, visual arts studio, food lab. Ya science so our modern computer lab. Tidiai na ope. Sa opesa utro remedials nswa. Ya de oba fan chire mu busum siampe. Na akotro wasi na ubetwa ne prekompe. Ya wo teachers fo a omunimu ade na omo chire ade a omo ho etwa. Awofoi ene ahwefo a momma antumi antwa wasi. Sane tie bia menwe ho fa ne bra. Ya bema na twa ne prekompe. Na ka ne hu se ye gusu a ya je afofro a omo eba form y. Akim State Senior High School. Ya wo Akim Oda ya ben Akim Oda Ohima na himfie ne pe. Ubetimi afra ye 0556 409040 anase 0207163787. Akim State Senior High School, the greatest in the East. Akim State Senior High School. Hard learning, easy passing.
Malaria ya banana edu na bo tenate. Fix Herbal, the Fix Mala mixture. Wa boni pitu, wa boni bede. Na otu malaria se prekupe na aba. Se wuti yo wenu mato. Wa powder sisi wiye. Ako aspiti ana akwa ye test ma wosi enya malaria. Ma malaria nzi unye bio. For Fix Mala mixture na obama wa pomuzin prekupe. Kwa drugstore ana pharmacy shop ne benya Fix Mala mixture ato. Na se pendudu etwa ko Fix Herbal wo adenta kantamanso. Ana frɛ one wo 020-844-4442. 020-844-4442. Fix Mala mixture dri. Obi a wenyin san. Anorma bofraba enufu. Ana bofraba onzi mfidwe bien mfa. Fix Mala mixture. Enkratu yi FDA apenodo.
Hey, ODI Electronics. Mama ye wisa mu waniama papa. Wow! Ne nyoma ben ne edi eni ehuntia. Ye ni agesa no.
Refrigerators, deep freezers,
beautiful
irons, microwaves, blenders, gas cookers, kettles, rice cookers,
that's right.
TV, washing machines, and anyama hodra you used to ofie ni na.
That's dramatic. Seeing is believing. Where the wedi tioma ye ni nyaw. Chese upe home appliances. Edi abodwuma efie ni bebia. ODI Electronics ena abeko anameboa.
Aine, wodi ye frenya wa homa show for ye so 0550 900 600
0550 900 600. Adishmama na die dekra ni say emfa oni bebia wo. Wodi anso be frɛ 0550 900 600. Bebia obia no ye be deliver edi amount. ODI Electronics ya base say ye TV, fridge, gas cooker, kettle, anase microwave. Adie bi e me fie ye de na ho so ye de no. Ye woni say chapo ho. O frenya ye be cho kwan be for so benya ode. ODI Electronics. Ye no ye delivery eko be bia. Adwumayefo me mamo ayiko ya na former way
master me wa ha
na nanu cement me kotoma mo sem fanya adwuma no sai na former uhu cement no
oh master wunim ade papa
that's right
unisam cement okofa ba ye no say wo total so say wo ba price no say wo twa blocks so say wo to blocks so ama ye adwuma ye mbre
unisam cement that's dramatic so we mason we labourer we foreman na so wo pesa wo adwuma ye fe ya kono na gina painting dia that is the product unisam cement ye obotom na pepa mu die
na so obi pe cement papa say ya ehemfa no be bia to
so wo pe unisam cement bia to e wa chim dan ni patam ha wo be ko some cheese enterprise ye wo amantra ye ni Dukes filling station na di ehwani mu fly 0243 583 190 and 0540 659 865 so we amazing and now foreman na udi enipa beto cement babru 50 bags so a ye chewade free some chi enterprise and di aba achim dan amantra ye ni Dukes filling station edi ehwani mu
Ghana adisie Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba ahinkan 93.3 FM
Some 8 minutes after 9, still live on Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Happy birthday and confirm. Wishing you all the happiness, joy, and blessings the world can offer on your birthday. A glorious birthday going out to you. Stand Zozu Dogbe. Yatai Efro Stand Dogbe. Former communications director and as a director of communication at the presidency. Edema Kanima Panin John Dramani Mahama Stand Dogbe ene your birthday inti yemawo happy birthday celebrating a doyan aha inti ya na wati ase de mama you Stand Dogbe oh you too much and pay you celebrate you pa okay na I saw another birthday wish be wo a baby, but after many so I would want to believe say besan back. Besan back na fe. Yeah, they are so but before ni yankwa homa ne so. Na ye ni ASP Edmond Ejekum enko twetwen komo ASP Oba Bremu Central Municipal Assembly ya MTTD. Openi na ye commander wada wo mo ano. ASP all correct sir. Nyame adom yenso ye ho ye papa no pay. Anope de ye ba wo akache nante se etiawa. Ghana Police Service mo se mo de campaign bi e be hihye so adaroma e campaign ben a.
Yo sabre me de en chief le tani ACP le kadita ho. Ani me maba me man ye juma division headquarters. E bro we be a team of the case. E ampa it police. And that's a one no yet. As you say, you may be a cat and not a crab, not a bit. A real issue, I mean, no, if any eater. A conscience has there a few, and somebody to be brave. I think I would do it. And I can't be father by the two one, not senior media. Said it be no more, I say, in the poor at the other phone, it be no more yet. I'm a net attack with the two and I'm not mono. A chair, and you could be a set or more education, said or more Eddie Daho, and now or more educated a sense of Mudia or money in Tiataria for Shabba. They say a breast and your man has any beam, your man Tibia, or more on this service, Mutua, Yan Lang to say, and Company Pano. Omudi bijuma isajuma tichiona yebe mbaki opon sabeka kaya yebedi ponye asanati. I
see. Enti na eno no mo be sha se ebreben na ebekwa ko wie ebreben.
Me dika kan ye juma die no enya dia da bia yeda ni me dani ko tiala bi mo hu me da brand polisi bo ba ya pon bi eda hoya dia ye etemreka ken ye pese ye sa chebukena. Dinya dia ye kasi ye akosi fiara amanimu bebanda bi dia ye na yisi kamera ken ye pese ye memu ye tin dan ye pese ye dinya dia ye jaya bonisi is not going to be at 9-day wonder.
Okay. Enti specifically no eye wo mo twi motor a ye license ye
you enu edimu aye event atinti market ni say ye importem ha na ye nkrom fitu ani bi mu no motor usage yakoye adesua amaye ndi adesua ne se no yiti region ha yiti region ozi for your platform bi e wo so a platform no me ha mani a de biele ni ho a ye yiti region ha moto obi fa moto su mu de biele ni ho de biala wo ko platforms na obi ebe wa twa ne kwa na chi o ne zuza so na ye moto sem nti ahu se saa de edi yenya ye maba wa ne ye man ti asabi mpanimfo eni ho omo na omo bedi ade edi oman eso jumade nyina omo efrim ewo anyema bi enu kwa se komo nko yihye go moto edi kan no obi ne ho ola sisi moto se ye mfanye juma anyi sika enti moto ye mremu no ye lansi fa yintu ko DBL se wat moto na wo balance se a omo be ka se moto no a wo ko yisu no then my infant for Yajimani sister. And I am fine Yajimani any Sicano, and Intino, over here insurance a bohono. Insurance in a convent you near Uchi and in your THD. Anna, pradia eka ho ababoya eka ho dan fidie we mo who register the number plate no was a blue which is for commercial usage for private usage the area commercial no in the background Ghana text in there the yellow background na private white background in the same as your cars your total near the users who work over the commercial no the background near yellow na the private near white it's motor the any commercial no private in the background the blue it's motor who can register you motor kunya kwanhia na moteso miensa automatically nya fini ko yimi no free mu automatically miensa moteso nyina no insurance company no deny mo insurance claim if you say motor yes yemfa nya manyi sika na yemfa emfa nipa emo miensa so so nko nkitwai minu mienu ye ni tua obedu baabi sabi esansa ya kwan na say development ye nwe payent no motor is there I am the means of transport ko na taxi ho so sabi obakwa kofa boya obakwa papra ya boboya timi fe nipa brudu aboboya disa taxi eni mu tire baako eche die na yan kiti mienu enti wo fe nipa bo so ka tabia ani mu beten no ben so be bra moto akwanti ya eba no eti sa dos this time ne empani fo nti emfi ani ni sanko fo na chane bio indiscipline obu ha na mkwa so a ofense ono ne ageman akwani ya ne bia osisu a oma abo ntwam oma kwala ntwam oma pani ntwam je omu obi biala oni ebi pese osane ho a ompene tani ema wo yeti sa kwanchi e ba no bebere so na ede ba ebie so ubedu ba bi na obi e ka hia sebe na wakofa bibia kana no so ye duru so ye nsa na ni so ye no ho ani ni timi de onu ba bia na pan o de akobo ho ana Ghana ye man so na me say capture wani mu a e mo mre in terms of punishment because obi di echen kum nipa if you nyina de this asumasi ni ye bi na wanyi ni ye na kum nipa e ko court no sabi ya fa na abro so 2000 Ghana abro so o ana wanya 2000 you guys wanya komu afi enfie no e di bebre wanya kwanhia wie no wa prepare ne ho say ade ne be ko abemo ba ye be ka se mintu esika bi wo court wo o boat kan no atua enso obi di tie bi obi maami obi papa obi kun obi na ema omusa ko mo abusuan nyansa ko ano o de negligence kumuni para ko tua 2000 enti nyama bebre no mpanifo say o maso mu a omo eye ensisa ensachira ya wota emren because that before be bra part you are from me di boni kra ya di court e be fan me o fan me ya mentia me ko prison o kwa no akwaje busuan no de ko nya ya fan no otua anda de tia wata ko tana ka eki
okay
yi tani ma no ye de na esi to me no du oso a ubehu na o twi hyan ya me pense e kwan a me pense udu odan kromu a na se wona ma bi a ka ko e bonsa ho e bi bonsa ho no du ho so sabi o na o hia so wa won de me che no
ati ase pa
o chira obi a be o sanka o ko na ni mu be no o ba na chi sabi wo he di pa ko na wo di patitiri wa wo di mu society wo he na bi a protein o sana ta de soja ni so saban ni paketie bi no de car and the shortest of the road oba ko na ta ni patitiro no go bisa no so for police ni pa cho ye penny o ye doctor o say o sa niema no say wo ye hwan enye say o car no for emergency reasons and I would do jumadi esunko electricity for car Ghana Water Company National Fire Service National Ambulance Police Immigration soldier for and na juma sunkum na nipa no ko di na or drive on the shoulders of the road and on the ground so say or the official vehicle no share uniform the near no ka say the police ni no car who's going to me car na the shoulders of the road na me timi car mu no etiamra so what you must say because me car mu no enye aban kai di nyina ka ho ne panisi enhyem tanan kofo bi ayoma so mo ya ageman sabi ijuma wodi entino oye bibia na wabu mra so so this time tanko for no pese ye chi wo mudum jamra no wo se Ghana emra eye aduma
okay inti operation we no by extension ebekọ e de ama ye nnuan mo asisi a wo mo ya akomkyere ye nnuan mo muslimifo omo wi a empe bebre no omo mra nten ya na ehunu se om di moto no enso e display kakra I would want to believe say this campaign eye kokobo koma wo mo nso so in advance
Mr. Ghana ni biara sabi yenyi otwen wanimu an yenyi adoa obi bia wo Ghana bia hye amra okuni ase sabi emre ni wanka sabi abamu panifo bi kian fom nkwa fiase You be biara o man with some ray, Sabi, Usha, a movie. Ye, and Yakasasu Mesnas or Bentin, I didn't ban it in a debby. We are all equal before the law. Yes, so be as somewhere can be a listen to be an for cancer, the Percobi, and there be sweeping at a year or more, I didn't ban it will be biara. I will or my moody and manaba. I found with your best. And as I can answer a finny and maybe I should use a service or penny cheap imam. Dada,
Sheikh Osman no Sarbutu.
Or Babontin, the Cassatian and Mountain. Last year, Pessi, they will call me communities, a minion of Mumwa, where who's a Tanya before. So you would GD, Safu, you cry, Yari, Copomia, Yebidi Easter. Any holidays I can see a festivity I can see every year. You may be able to still be a year. I will be used to what the best of and for being Kokawano and for Ruby Gugu and so more baby born yourself. And near my area, a depot, a chum for another. I know will be see and then Quania and then Quania and I do some other and I do all the beer. Into 2 boys now one.
Super. I know said the kind of a Juma way no na question yamba baby say anu ye no your hands are tied kakra but my misa looking at sanya wankasa uji tu mu say Ghana yugusu aye developing kakra no don't you think say braso a moto adwuma pragya adwuma a Ghana mremu engage for commercial purposes no unyi ni se bra bia so was say ye kokohwe sa amra ne biem ne ye mom kwan na ye de commercial purposes na mum ye regularize wo mo
minua aso Kenya unko ni padudo no a ka sa asem we na ka America ni se ye law enforcement agency ye ni se parliament ebe shemra executive be shemra ni ahwese samra no ebede de nti ya ka kan se mi da se eno awo na minua no semra ne ba se ye ma ho kwan se bi sa ni pakue na se sa asenkafo ya bomudi omo yi ni yin tu se nya dwuma prosi for ye de se beta chi na se ya minu ka se de ye mra biara ni ho mra biara ni ho a chi se sa ni pakue ya mu su sa fidie ye mo mo kwan no mfa sa omo dwuma de na nyi sika ye nkasa enyusu moto muntie ni ye yenkase yusu moto na moto no uko yusu a here na one fine bibia benefit you in terms of money nti yankofa enipa emroso sadia ya last say fafa nipa ba ku mienu anasa fafa niema enso so eniema no wajai ene nipa anode fa makopie bi so yenku ase na mi finkran ba mkofa ha ba bi isi apraje ne nipa wu na budu saje nipa igwechi omu budu na mi yusu mi fiatale mi se posi atare mi eda ko jebe bi bumani ko suhwe ti na aso ya no dey odi ana dia ya re hokwa ne se mi aso no kan da ya mra nti a omu ye da achi a se bi senke bi ko sukuu ebi sun adwuma no mo na esi omo je sukuu mo je adwuma sua ana omo di ko kada ye adwuma onye tekunu simpo an ye maba wa ye man ketekete omo di tekunu simpo ba ko dada won pro wanyi sen aba ube wi asia so enkwala ni bebre no omo resort to social violence said the bi di edubone kan wa no kono akase e ko so ye potem bebre san kwala yi ana sam fidie ye nkwala yusu no me ne wo mi ni ye adwin mu da ho sabi ni mu makakra ye na ya tiki kakoto sam fidie yi
ene ye dia ma wo mo
ana ye dia ma nkwala yi akwala ko so ni oni fie du wo fie last so ni bi ana akwala ko de adwuma enti ma so ya ha akwanhia bebre be ba no hwe mu na fidie na ye opanikasi bi dia ana sa panikasi na se ba onyi ni wadi o o da ma obi panikasi bi frew ipe bi a 777 wa chichiru nse bu otie wa police commander
order from above for no
bi ni afro atumesi esero yuani afine untimi nka ana bebre class wo ha registration kwa mo nyai papa bi ewo across on time wo be bosumi no ba menchen ha ne ba bi edi fie du nan odi moto ko bo obi ma ne nemu bu ne ba manim ya ti papa ye ne ba na ka se ne ba ni sa enti ye ba twi papa na so kaka papa ni bu nkotoju a wa wusu abesoma tele papa police bi pa chori asema akwese mu ye yi mu ana so papa ye yi mu ye kura se ho de bia sabi moto ko ti mboni paku no ye nya trans ni esi asema no na me ba edi obi die ekobu obi na me pre obi die mo se me ba mo betwe na so papa sa osko wanya na oyen potre mo wa hunya me ekoso empe bebre kura konche bo ha mo reporto no akotra zin ya kan esi se menti ayade a ha dwen edi ni pewu edi ni penya ma ye human resource odachi omo beye bibia boa ye potre mo no ma no ekofom edi subambone na se ne ye bone bre ye man tiwa eni ye maba wonti ye hwe na sad ni yina ye tnasi you should all gather ourselves here for tnasi me say omo ndumadi eye boa o man ye nyintum fine ye nyintum so a yina ye nka ensam na ye nkuntia because eti nipa enya awo Ghana o man a ye wo mu
ASP mu ne kasa no pay
me da nyame onya mo kase
nyame nya so kase bye bye enti ye ni ASP Edmond Ejekum ena ekotwetwen enkomo no jimedia ogusu awutie no din de Maakye ofre me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo na we ese amame akye no pe Obuoba osi nyankopon bi hyira wo pa ene adwuma kama adwuma a wo ye de ama o my Ghana nyame wo nhyira pa bozege ye frame Salome medifiri odan ena baaye odan ena wodi firi baaye na Balus to boy anameboa Balu so boy Balu so boy o message ni me hu me da se why thank you okay 1 2 on subet me do the dia about 0594 841 044 found the fabra na yen kan kama for my we say your friend Akosia eniniwa se ene ne baba wenya 4 years enti yen wish no happy birthday emfama no but unfortunately one funny baba ni din amba nya wotro wa ha my princess hey money princess anyways happy birthday and confirm princess o maame Akosia eniniwa ena ode ba ye nti happy birthday enko emfa ema na abusuan na me no won komo bi nso di yebedi nkomo bi e dia fa mmabunu ho yebedi nkomo analysis bi a yebe dia fa mmabunu ho na afei yewia yakwen anim na yama wo kwan na wo so atumi abamu bi na ya sori sokra ano herbal bitters and capsules eseme kan kire se kuku na etete wo usisi yade na asode ana empem adwuma ensani nia ema wonya atenkama wukunu ana wo yire eno nso so adwane empem nyare wa hodo bie watete bebre no a ana wakoma bo pedi oba wo kwa fikyire obi ate wo nkase wakwa fikyire obe ma no na amem kom me fa kyewo adura me de nama no pay tititia ano heba aduru ye wo bitters ene wo capsules indi se bitters no na umpa capsules no obetumi afa na aboa wo EK Asimim drugstore e wo dan Old Town Zango oba henka na fam a obenya bi e wo ha sanso na ukọ ba bibia ye ton aduru a me kire heba Ghana hankasa nduru no a ye ton no ukọ ho no mo nso a wonsa ebetumi akabi 0541 210 227 0541 210 227 eno number a wo be frɛ na Ochinenti Enterprise nso so ese eye car battery a eye din kama na eye papa na ebe chenso dia eye Ochinenti Enterprise na American for the amount enti car batteries no a aba na nsan nu a wodi si wo car no so asisi a na e breki engine no ye car battery de ntesa eye original papa ene di free aburuchire ton e de aba ebia na won so wo eye car battery ni bi dada na ba bia sei a wo ye ni yie be yie eno so de ba ye be repair ne kama de ama wo ebia na wo bi o pese wo de be sesan be gye mo no nso a eno so wo de ba ye be gye aye obroni friend no swapping eno so ye be ne kama ɛde ama wo akyem ɔdan yɛwɔ community hospital akyiri hɔ akyem ɔdan yɛwɔ community hospital akyiri hɔ kɛde yɛwɔ ɔmo amusie no akyi hɔ ɛna sama kɛse nso yɛne barrier no ɛna ɛdi nhwɛanimu mesan ɛkyerɛ wo yɛkyi kwan no biom akyem ɔdan wobɛhunu yɛn ɛwɔ community hospital akyiri hɔ kɛde wobɛhu yɛn ɛwɔ wɔn amusie no akyiri hɔ ɛna sama kɛse nso yɛne ɔmo barrier no ɛna ɛdi nhwɛanimu ɔkyena nti enterprise efi a yɛtɔn battery papa no yɛn number nie 0245 639729 0245 639729 ɔfrɛ Mr. Adams anɔpa yi mɛmowakye megye di sɛ fasting no woyɛ bideɛ anaa K Asenso Limited nso sɛ menka nkyerɛ wo sɛ ɛyɛ nkonnwa papa ɛna wobɛnya wɔ mo hɔ K Asenso Limited sɛ yɛ swinging wheel office chairs quality wooden chairs authentic book chairs ne nyinaa yɛ K Asenso Limited Circle Adabraka off Iran Clinic Kaneshi wobɛhunu yɛn ɛwɔ Flamingo Road Zango Junction hɔ a ɛyɛ no afrɛ wɔ 0302 257 209 0302 257 209 K Asenso Limited ni ajo so say home of quality office chairs and bookshelves. Fix Herbal so ada Roma. Omo ka ho bi ni adwumadie yegusu ayede e ma wo. Fix Herbal say eye ememe duro e na wo pa ye o Fixman capsules ene ne syrup e wo ho. Enti wo mpe tablet na obenya syrup ensuo no na wanom. Wo ye bema wo yo chinigifo pa me pa che wo de bra me ento nchia na kota aduro bi. Ebe boa wo ama empemu anigye nso so wo beti bi na malaria entontom nsa na nse ensu ya hyase ya eyi ne ti ya to twen no 2 minutes bia na nammu no entontom ni malaria nso 2 minutes bia no mo nammu bo wo ho ban eye fix malamesha na me kamfo e de ama wo se uti ne pai wo wanumu ato onte de aduane na wudi no nsa wo mu ana wapia si nkyɛn me pa cho ma won sanka fix malamesha no ebi yɛde baako de abae no yɛde sra ɛbɛboa ma wo body no atɔ so ayɛ kama ɛno no yɛ fix Arabella ointment wei no wɔnantem apropro ɛbɛyi no nyinaa de afiri hɔ ama adansedie ɛna ɛbɛkɔ de ama wo open ne dodo atu a wobɛkɔ boat chemicals ɔwɔ ɔdan main lorry station faako a yɛtɔn kokɔ no bɛn wɔ mo aborosan ase hɔ Ochiniba drugstore, Kennedy drugstore, Amanfo pharmacy, War Green pharmacy, Chimesi drugstore. Ubenya biato ewo omo nyina eho. Aya no afre jabo to 0205 885000 0205 885000. Okwa enkranso a adenta katamanso ho ne wo 0208 44 42 and I say 0302 9020 71. Say o ma wonsa ka fix ndro ni bia wanka samete ha oba be di adanse e de amayen ODI Electronics no say e home appliances papa na wo pa enko ba bia brayen ho ODI Electronics yenye pe e na ubenya papa na to na ne bo san da fam enti say TV na wo pe say fridge e deep freezer gas cooker blender kettle washing machine ana iron bread toaster opening in bia bra ODI Electronics na ODI Electronics no ba na se usika no nso a ye beji ato ho na ya ne kakran woni ba won so no watua wie na adwapade na ba be ye wo dia bra henka na FM dankasie nim ye ne wo mo enyina ne butu ha eye 0550 900 600 0550 900 600 na say ya bi school yabia school nso e wose wo pay school papa ko school placement na ba ya ni bebre no a esunsun dwetire se school na no mo pe mo first choice second choice third choice ne hwan choice no ya mfa ama wo obi kura de ye ya ama ne last choice kura nso ya mfa ama no enti ama na ni atutu agu ne nsam hu ba bi a wonko enha ho bra Akim State College ne bra besua de Akim State College me no ka say yegusu a yɛgye adesuafoɔ form 1 form 2 form 3 koraa aba no ase yɛhwɛ nneɛma mu na biribi adeda no kwan mu yɛbɛtumi agye wo at Kim State College adɛn nti ne yɛsɛ bra hɔ woba a yɛwɔ baabi a mmaa ne mmarima obiara separately mmaa wɔ baabi ɔmo da kama mmarima nso wɔ baabi ɔmo da kama environment no nso yɛ conducive for learning wowɔ asomdwie wonte sɛ kaa bi ba bɛn paa pro bie daabi maame bi koko hwie gu mu so daabi wonte saa wɔ Akim State College ɛhɔ no ɛyɛ baabi a asomdwie nko a ɛna ɛwɔ hɔ yɛwɔ baabi a wobɛkɔ akɔsua computer wonim sɛ computer bebree no a yɛka mouse kora mu nim mouse wonim sɛ yɛkura ɔmo nim but woba Akim State College a yɛahyɛ da afɛnehye one room with modern computers a yɛde ɛkyerɛ nkwadaa no computer nti wumie school no koraa no na waba bɛyɛ IT literate nti sɛ woantoa no nso koraa no wobɛtumi de IT literate no koraa de adidi ɛnɛ company bi a bɛwura mu biara no yɛpɛ obi a onim computer mu kakra na masa baabi a Ghana na ni kyerɛ no wama yɛmfa yɛni ankyerɛ hɔ biara aso bɛyɛ hye ɛne tiri mekamfo Akim State College di ama wo schools bebree no a ɛyɛ kakra ɛwɔ din bebree wobɛkɔ no na ɔmo ni ɛyɛ modern computer lab wɔ hɔ visual art sɛ wɔn nsa nso na pɛ sɛ ɔde di adwini a yɛwɔ studio hɔ nom ɛno nso so yɛafɛnehye with nneɛma a wobɛhia nyinaa ɛwɔ hɔ yɛwɔ food lab ɛde ma home economics foɔ no ɛhɔ na wɔn nso bɛkɔ na wɔakɔ test nnuane no ne nneɛma ahodoɔ bebree ɛne ɛsan wɔ science lab ɛhɔ nso so bɛboa wo ama wɔatumi asua adeɛ no yie general art visual art business home economics general science technical yɛn ne nyinaa bi ɛwɔ yɛn hɔ me ne wo kasa yɛgu so a yɛyɛ registration for May June ɛna NOVDEC nti fo wadi kyerɛ ɛyɛ Akim State College ne yɛntumi ɛmoa wo akyem ɔdan ɔba ahema efie no akyi hɔ ɛna wobɛhu ne yɛn ɛwɔ 0556 409040 0556 409040 ɛna 0207 163787 Akim State College ɔsɛ hard learning easy passing ma yɛnkwa homa no so na yɛne yɛwura Ali Ibrahim ɛnkɔtwetwe nkɔmmɔ ɔpani wɔka eku a ɔfrɛ no Foundation for Security and Development ɛho yɛwura Ali salamu alaikum
alaikum assalam
megye di sɛ fasting no wogyina mu deɛ
yɛgyina mu paa
that's good anyways okay so yanya ne nteɛ sɛ mo de aba bɛto dwa mo kyerɛ sɛ asɛ persons living with disabilities no asɛ yɛyiyi wɔ mu yɛnhyɛ da mpɛ ɔmo nhwɛ but menim sɛ aban so bɔ ne ho mmɔden a even common fund a ɛkɔ ɔmo hɔ no baabi a na ɛwɔ no aba bɛ increase no nti the government is doing something na mo ba bɛka biribi foforɔ a ɛnyɛ contradictory.
Okay, thank you. Good morning. I'll beg to speak English a bit because my Chi is not really.
Okay.
So, thank you very much for the opportunity. Like you said, my name is Ali Ibrahim, and I work with Foundation for Security and Development in Africa. We are much concerned about human security. And when we talk about human security, we are looking at every factor that seeks to develop the human factor so that we have a good living standard and then we have also a harmonious living within our society. And so last year we started a project on inclusion. When we talk about inclusion, we are talking about a society where we have every single individual given the opportunity to be heard on issues that are affecting them. And then one of the areas that we look at more is young people with disability. We've realized that over the years, they have been overly marginalized. There are issues that concern them about health, about education, even representation within organization has been very poor. Even when it comes to civil society organizations and their planning, their budgeting, young people with disability are not really being taken care of. And that is why we seek to champion the advocacy of inclusion, that everywhere we go, be it a program Just like you're having a program in your studio, for instance, do you have a person with disability that is also talking about issues that are affecting them? Or how we ourselves, everybody, talking about society that is more inclusive. How are we talking? Just like you said, these days we don't longer say persons living with disability, but rather a person with disability. If you say a person living with disability, it means that you are referring to that individual, that disability is living with that disability forever. And some disabilities, they come and then go as and when the situation demands. So these are some of the educations that we seek to do in the society, so that we will see ourselves as one, and then issues that are affecting everybody should be the concern of everybody.
I see. So this advocacy that every now and then we have been pushing, making sure that they are included in decision makings and what have you, don't you think it is becoming one too many? What exactly is the problem?
Okay, so thank you very much. Just like I said, if you look at our setting, for instance, the Ghana setting, for example, even if you look at the whole Africa, we know young people to be marginalized. And then young people are also, those that are living with disability are more marginalized. Like I said, when we look at our education setting, for example, in our field of work, what we have realized is that even in the education that we have, not many of them are really giving much attention when it comes to their education. The few that are given the opportunity to go to school are not even having those sort of spaces to be able to really access the education that they want to. For example, the syllables for them are a bit costly, a bit higher when it comes to production than the normal syllables that we have. Because if it's a person, somebody that is visually impaired, you need to transfer the text into something that the person can really understand. So it's a bit costly. But over the years, we think that government budgets regarding those issues have not really been prioritized. They've not given such a priority to those educational materials, and they are very expensive. And if you look at even our educational system, we're targeting to do an inclusive education system. Up to now, we've not been able to have that inclusive education system. If you look at those that are hearing impaired, for example, when we went to the field, one person was narrating how he went to the hospital to seek for medical attention, and then he couldn't communicate with the doctor effectively, and so he was given a wrong prescription, and then that really affected him more. When we look at the act, the 2006 Act, the Disability Act, it's provided for all these things, that the government should provide some of these things in our educational facilities so that they'll be able to interact and then get proper education. We know there are efforts that are going on from the government to be able to get these things done, but much attention has not been given to it. And that's why we seek to amplify those issues so that we'll give priority to some of those things, and then we'll have an inclusive society. Because disability, as we see it comes in so many forms. Today, you are healthy, you are not disabled, but the next day you don't know what will happen to you. Just look at what happened in Ayawa Sovas Gogon. They went for election, the by-election. There were shooting incidents, and then some people were hospitalized, and then they were amputated. Others, their legs were cut off. That alone is something. So a disability can happen to everybody at any time. And so once we have that a society that is more inclusive, everybody is talking about that inclusiveness, then we are getting something better. So that is why we seek to champion this advocacy, so that much attention is given. If you go to recently, there was a documentary on the Kopom blind school. Yeah. I don't know if you have been able to chance that documentary. Sure, if you get that documentary and then you see what they are able to do within that system, it's something marvelous. But much attention has not been given. How many of such schools do we have in the system? Imagine somebody is having such defectiveness, or the person is in Wa, or the person is in Tamale, or the person is in Takoradi, far away in the village, how would the person be able to travel all that far to come and access such a school? So we need such model schools in everywhere, if possible, even in our educational settings that we have. Such should be provided, because some of them, they can easily be integrated in our school system.
Sure.
And then they'll be able to get enough education just like everybody, and then we'll be able to have an inclusive society. That is what we are seeking to do.
Super. So my question was, the campaign now has become part and parcel of us. It has become everyday life. But yet, we do hear complaints coming from left, right, center. So the question was, what are we not doing right?
Yeah, so just like you said, inclusion is very expensive. That is a fact. It's very expensive. For example, if you're having a program in your studio and you want to invite somebody with disability, you will have to cater because the person might not be able to just use a normal trotro and then come. The person will have to use either Bolt or Uber or something like that. So disability itself is very expensive. So we need to be very conscious about our budgeting. We need to be very conscious about our program and then our planning. Our planning. That is the only way that will be able to help us to be able to get it done right.
Okay.
And once we are not doing the planning at the initial stage, and then consulting them. For example, you can go for a very big program, and then you will not see a sign language interpreter. Meanwhile, there could be a person with a hearing impaired. The person could be inside, but because if not consciously planned for that person, we have neglected the person. If you just look at even the our state event itself, if you look at the stoner that we had recently.
Oh, okay.
The stoner that we had recently. If you look at the person giving the interpretation, the person was very small on the screen. That is not something that we can call inclusion, because you have to, if you have eyesight issues, so you have to strain your eyes before you be able to see the sign language. So some of these things we have to be very conscious about our planning and then include them in our budgeting as well. Once we're able to consciously plan and then add them to our budget, and then consult people that are the groups, the disability groups, will be able to get it right and then move forward.
Okay. I think your point is well made now. It's a pleasure talking to you. We will come to you as when we find a need.
Thank you very much. I'm grateful.
All right. Intiane Ali Ibrahim ena eko kasa ye no oye part of eku a womo ehwe bambo ene asetena mu yedie nsam eso Foundation for Security and Development. And I am going to change and come on. Unisem Cement Ghana Limited in the cement control so almost cement near papa. Na Samchi Enterprise and our concrane. Akoko Fadiaba Achim Wadan Hanmoa. A Mantra Wache Junction. Story building for front YBC Hono. And it Dukes filling station in a D and Shady Moon. 0243 583190. 0243 583190. Yawo Omo Mutima Bob Bill. Oba umbenya botra kyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma mu di akyerɛw ansa na yɛatɔn cement ne di ama wo wobɛtɔ cement no boro 50 bags nso a ɛno so yɛ wakyɛdeɛ kama bi a yɛde ɛbɛma wo ɛna ne krakra no Frontier Filling Station ɛnso so sɛ woyɛ taxi driver woyɛ trotro driver okada rider ana woyɛ obi a wode fuel ɛde di dwuma a yɛkamfo Frontier Filling Station ɛna ɛde ama wo yɛne Achema Boabo market no ne di nhwɛ ne mu yɛwɔ super and yɛwɔ diesel ɛboɔ ne da fam ɛne nti na yɛfrɛ yɛn sɛ Beyond Excellence. Frontier Filling Station ɔmo nso ka ho bi ɛne yɛde dwumadie yi ɛde ɛbrɛ mu na wei sɛ ahenkan ma mo akyea no pa yi yɛfrɛ me Asare Birdman bifiri Akim Ɔda na ɔsɛ dɛn ɔboɔba more vim okay. Okay, Mate. Birdman, thanks for coming through with this one. Wait to say, Obuoba Ofori Amanfo, I think this one my kind of that team. I'm going to for front. mindi no ho dwuma emfa ema wo mo. All right, nti mpacho nso betimi de aba ne akenkan de ama wo. Wo hwe wo mre no a 48 minutes after 9. Ma me ne wo enche saade we. Ana yenya no chena. Bere ne ebekọ because wasi yenya botre so ne chirichiri mu de kire yen. Wasi yenya botre ne chirichiri mu so kama se ne be ya yebetimi ate yen ho ase. Nti eno so ho asem no ma me fa nkonko ha wo chena nyame ya adom a na wo de be matifo ne kwan na emre na aka no so omo so mfo ma dwenkyere a ebeboa ma my Ghana akonanim no emfa emra ipacha onya atem didie ena enya attack se obi a kire na adwen na woni ne nya adwene a oba won so wadwenkyere ne sen eni nti na wunya akwanya won so ba mu no because enipa ya na omo pese omo frɛ ba mu ne dawson enti nyame ye wadom na se ye peke wo de no a emfa wo ayi ofre ne sen akwanya na wanya no eme attack obi a ofre ye beka na sem won so wo de a wo de baaye ene sen because checks amiati ase research amiati ase se omo ya no mo tae attacking crofo no aya na sebe omo nim de wo fam because se onim de ni fam ho a anka wo ba wo de wa dwenkyere de beba won attack obi so ati ase enti ye mamokwan na mo so matimi aba mu bi numbers ye de be di dwumani nie 0201 94445 and 0554 820910 0201 94445 and 0554 820910 ye mo panina kasa ye wi a afei wo betumi aba na yafawo.
Fellow citizens, I ask you to be citizens, not spectators, citizens, not subjects, responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation. Let us work until the work is done.
Enti yabie akonya na to hono mo. Yeje wadwenkyere na fe ya sorry dwumedie no so akọ ama obi foforo abaye se onko a wo ba na wankwa a obaji wani so. Ebacho idini baby akase free. Boss mpacho intio.
Mpacho we bi na vese me dit mo na mo she na mo ka ho asem kaka fast net final competition final opa dia ko competition staff curve view wa hu pa in fact we say dia ni wa excess one year staff curve ho bi di no ma go na to ko fa da to be to kana pa so bi si na to ba ko to asham them.
Okay, Senate one.
Senate one, yeah. Okay. Run about for Senate one now.
Okay.
Senate one and one na staff, very staff Nordi.
Okay. Yeah, that's CBB. All right, yeah, that's a ballisto boy. Oh, too bad. Obe to me as baby I na yet to me afa winti. And penny for muti enya madaroma. We see a free runabout and so on what they call Senate office hono. Sharp curb view hono but no road sign. I had dream. But you didn't maybe I say free.
I said na na ba jini free la bikrum.
Boss and patcho intio.
Ba cho indo mi na semne die bo madia na bo mai wai. Ni kumuni papa. Amon she na tam no mudidi no. Too much. As a Ghana for he had to do any better choma no man before you.
Sir.
What about me that say?
Nyame enka so ho ye chia labi krom fu nyina ne ano pay. Me patcho udini baby am so kasa free.
Balusu boy ne ma ba man ka say na line ka say.
Hey, sir. He do.
Me say the what translate to na. What translate no? I thought do any insurance or what translate do no insurance or community so no. Kevin very sharp. In fact, the BN work they say when I wear sharp Kev. So who you man after one time for one after when you find a party.
Baby, oh father call sorry, come friend say Pastor Chris sorry no.
Actually, two feet one, maybe that proper one.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Now after so Indomie for no. And no Obuoba and no. Ibetimi asha mo say mo nya Indomie anyumra na say mo na wo say mo hu say Indomie ye di anyumra enye.
Mami bisa why they can't say Indomie kra ye na anyumra hwan ya.
I say, yeah, no, be about your per se, you but any one in yet. On the identity, I say, I didn't know why. You won't pay a stay, but any one in yet.
Okay.
And I was a young man because you would do no in the you may not come say, your photo. And don't know where we are because it will be only and paying you being to know. Almost we are no Yanica. So, unless on the you may not be and then who say, oh, no, Tono. And I was say, if you on Saturday any daytime, you see who's a daytime, a ton and I say, it's starting.
Okay, ma will be some ready. Why? You be pimping for about no be church, you come dear my. But Indomino, to me, I'm at head here. And you would say, yeah, the way I yet, would give you an okoda. A hard dream. If I told you, I say free. Hello,
good morning.
Morning, you. I don't know, didn't be a free.
Oh, so I wouldn't want about a bed match more downtown.
Bad man in you.
Yo, and I paid your Namishra, mammy, Namishra, dear in time. Because no one can end Yayla. Make a master to Mata, a dream round, would you bra, run about here? Would you run about that? Yeah. I put a semi, you soon. A semi, a higher ministry office. A good never share, soon. My team yard, the open the bees to farm that, which I want about that trip in that chatty. I want the higher ministry, I'm 24. And soon come to you, who baby are in the throw. But what you are check the bone, man. Now, this year, you know, go back on my winning a major.
Yummy and counsel, and see, and penny for Madaroma, almost the report here, banning now, no more to swan a more dear mine. Aye, indeed, the assassinate in a one more kind, and our assembly news our say it drew numera is soon ever hormono not Madaroma. You some more crown or yam what check street bobs, the couple more other electoral areas, no. Inti we hear ben one dear Madaroma, na mo yi bi dia couple boho no dear mine, and na assembly member cra a one electoral area, no. Na ono so atwem panimfo adwene de abaso nti Madaroma ya kan say you know na maye de amayen. Okay, dia ye de miempon ana yempon yanku ya baby. Ba yempon masa. Enti message ni de mudi bibiri no abaye but nyamia no nukrenie ensem a momo de mo message ne ba fa ho no yen ka ho asem wa ha enti nya de a yen so ye be kan enti aba bibiri mahunu pa but mayi mani men kan because ya nka ho asem wa ha e wo se ye kire ya adwene e wo dwumadie a onipa kro ni di no ho untumi ntwere wo message mpa ba bi ntina na utwetwene mu sa obi wakro ni mu ya wo kan no attract because of WhatsApp number otumi ko Facebook ho ebi adwuma o mo ye no saa de no ye nsoso dia ye ka no fo adwen kire fa bra fa ho na ye nsoso ye ntumi nkenkan fa ma wo na wayo ho serial tester they say almost group ba ko o matenu no political party for no omo ye Facebook Testers Association and I'm test it. We need my some crown at watch him crew no asoro ko ni baby because I dey be kan nti abusuan fancy ha odi an kan Kwame Yeboa ono ne executive producer Adwempa Hene Kofi Mensah lead producer and assistant Kobe K or Hineba Michael in charge of socials Ofremi Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Nyankopon ya adom a ochina yebese na hia na mom ne ekoyie wo ye number no afren aboya baso de ankoyie no atwen adwene e de asiso na wate ase se ye nipa na efom e nipa na e de che we ye assistant principal e wo takrade omo training school na wo hono mo no youth leadership school no anope memo wache Sansona assistant headmaster ewo Achiaman Senior High School also memo achi anope And a headmaster war across senior high. Across senior high. And a person watching. Young Tefa senior high. A Tefa senior high headmaster was on a pay watching. And a headmaster for Frafino or dinner bar. I will dance senior high. Also, Yamu Achiam Wakwaba. Education Director at the Mabrim Central Municipal Assembly, Mammy, and a pay me watching Wakwaba. Yanko Poy Adma watching a business here. Shown see, we shown see news to Bemua. Utimini check. Make up.
So Timbuktu, Ghana, Mali, Sumanguru, you know what you're shown. What where what you're shown. So Timbuktu, Ghana, Mali, Sumanguru, you know what you're shown. Manchester, you know Sumanguru, you know what where what you're shown. What's that to do, you know? Wamasa, you know. Yasantwa, you know what you're shown. Get your Israel, get my Egypt, get your Ethiopia, get Sudan, what you're shown. Akwaka, you know what you're for, Kalacha. I get you one year, and in your fang. Akwaka, you know what you're for, Kalacha. I get you one year, and in your fang. I'm a Caminian Matu.
Radio Papa Abozege. Thank you.
Anapa no do abo ewo fia pepepe busia me mamache kasia botel na mede bro wan sama hodro ne ebetwaguo ewo ye prem to breka sebo ne enumre no sia de mu ani ti headlines ena mede ba no GRA fo nyame adoma first match de ko no first May de ko wono mo ba betete 11 no mo de nkyeremu bia ba enkofo bia enhya danka wo mo pii wo mo de enkyeremu bia ba ya ehu behia pa sa wo betimu enkyeremu sanso enamra so bedwane ogirem de made hya wono mo nhia so ono so de atodwa wo kyese ba omiansam ahodura na no obeka ye ne nyina da Ghana for ye yoma enu ntia wo se nyina ya gitum sa onmoyanfo John Jenapo enso e de atodwa kyese MPP for de omnimu ya ne enumudwa nkwa se amamuo no ye ntutu ne ye pa de dabi sa adwen ne de wo mu nkura bi emu nsam ne de ntia wakasa no ye de mu nchemu ebeba na andra da besi anapai enyoma bi ehu wo Facebook ne social media no so ne say akyerɛkyerɛfo ne ahyɛda atwa suku atade ama wɔnom ya hyɛda atwa uniform ama wɔ mo akyerɛkyerɛfo enso ba abɛhyɛ na sesi yakasa GS fo nso abɛkyerɛkyerɛm minister ya wɔno na ukopiemu ɛwɔ national security akacha wɔhwɛ ɛhɔ dwumadie so de atodwo kyerɛsɛ wɔsra agyagefo pa empembe brasam bi kopie court a na agyagefo abu obehu se ya ban dia na kyese waka asam no dia ma ban won se sane o mani nyina agyagefo njai na afei wo mo nhwe no mo nam asam die so ema ye ban bonsam enjira ne nan so ukopiem ewo ensata kwasi ansa eyekro ewadanse South District no mu arahusam bi asi maami bi ahye ne ho akonfo na de etuamu ankasa no ewia premto breka se bom ye de nyina beba na watiemu enkyeremu ntia ne yama ne boni betwetwe ho enkomo sanso ena akopiem awachim bata bi a adehia no dam wonum esu enyoma bi a abom sa ne sabe Johnson abo akoko nti woma no dam yede mu nkyeremu nso beba Ghana fo bi di atoyin kan ka se boni nkyere se Ghana yesika sem no atete apansamti se wiase ayeden Ghana ayeden tepanifo enwo so wonom ho wei ene nsam kaye bi na obete ewo yen kase bom ti we ni ti headlines kase botel asi midin ade afia ampofo wa medase kwabena